Hey guys, Ben here from PaxPower Performance Trucks in Houston, Texas. And for 2025 and into now 2026, GM gave us a whole new lineup of full-size SUVs. So that's the Tahoe, the Suburban, the Yukon, and like this Escalade behind me. And everywhere I've been for the past year or so, these vehicles are everywhere. They're at fancy dinners, they're in the school drop-off line, at sports practice, at the mall, on the road, everywhere. These things are wildly popular, and for good reason. They make a lot of sense, they're big, they're great at hauling people, they're comfortable. But if any of y'all have been in these, been around these, you know there is nothing sporty about them. There's a lot of sporty SUVs out there from Porsche and Range Rover. This is not one. These things are slow tanks moving around on the road. And when you get these, it kind of leaves it a little unsatisfying ownership experience. People want their vehicles to be responsive. So if you have one of these vehicles, 25, 26, with either the 5.3 or the 6.2 liter, you're gonna wanna make it faster. And the way to do that is to supercharge it. And with these SUVs, you've got essentially three options. GM only offers it one way, in their Escalade V that makes 680 horsepower. I just checked before we came out here. Escalade Vs in Houston, Texas are going for $180,000. That is just silly. If you wanted to start with some other GM product and get to that supercharged horsepower level, we think you should do that by adding a supercharger to a vehicle that doesn't have one, like this Escalade behind me, a Yukon, Suburban, Tahoe. And really you have two main choices with doing that. You can either go with Hennessy Performance. They make about 620 horsepower. They use a Magnuson, a smaller Magnuson supercharger, and our understanding is their price is about $30,000. That's a crazy number. Or you could go with us. And I think a lot of people have, for good reason. We're doing a couple of these a week. We're getting them to 650 horsepower. We're doing it for half the cost of Hennessy. And if you want to compare it to the Escalade V, it is way cheaper. You could build something like this for probably $60,000 less than an Escalade V. And I don't think 30 horsepower is worth $60,000. And if you wanted to use something like a Tahoe or Suburban, you could essentially build an Escalade V, the same thing, similar power, for half the cost of what an Escalade V is. So if this sounds appealing to you, hang out for a couple of minutes. We're gonna go through this Escalade a little bit more and figure out how to get one of these SUVs in your driveway. And how we get to these horsepower numbers, this 650 horsepower, is with this Whipple supercharger. Like I said, this is a 3.0 liter, not 2.3 like Chevy, not 2.6 like what comes on the Magnuson. This is a large blower that makes really good power. We also get good drivability out of these. They're very responsive. You still get good gas mileage. It all depends on how you drive it, so you can still get stock-like gas mileage out of these. And the thing that a lot of you guys are worried about, reliability. These have been insanely reliable for us. We've built over a couple hundred of these, only had a couple of engine failures, so our failure rate is around 1%. Chevy's failure rate is 3 or 4% is what they're advertising, so we're way below that. The reason we think that is because we turn off displacement on demand, so those problematic lifters are out of the equation. We also turn off auto start stop, so we're not cutting oil pressure to the bottom end. But like I said, because of those reasons, we're getting really good reliability out of these. So this can be your daily driver. This can be your road trip family vehicle and do all the things you expect your large GM SUV to do. The other thing that owners of these large GM SUVs are going to want is that it look different. Like I said in the opening, these vehicles are everywhere. So if you're going to have something, invest in it, have something cool, you want it to look cool or different. And that's just what we did for this customer. Now with PaxPower, We can do anything, lifted, lowered, full custom, mild modifications, whatever you want. We've been doing a lot of lifted Jackal SUVs. We've done a couple of these Escalade, but lately lowered has been the thing that people have been asking for on the high-end luxury Yukons and Escalades. This customer went the lowered route, and we think he nailed it with his touches. We have an awesome paint shop at PaxPower. You've obviously seen all the Jackals we do. So we did this tuxedo look. We painted from here up, did the roof black, did all the door pillars in black, all the way wrapping around the back into the spoiler, and we think this looks really, really awesome. The black on top matches these 24-inch Vossen wheels, fit amazing, and the black allows you to kind of look through and see these GM performance brakes that we put on. GM sells these in red, but the customer wanted to do something custom, so we were happy to do it in his Tennessee Volunteers gray and orange, and think that looks awesome, and you know he'll be impressing his friends when he takes this to the tailgate. If this truck looks appealing to you, and I really think it should, this is one of my favorite vehicles we've built lately. I've loved driving this around. But if this is something that you're interested in, or you want to build something similar out of a Tahoe, Suburban, Yukon, the first step is to always give us a call at PaxPower. We'd love to hear from you.